Now we can do a question that most people got wrong when they took it on an official GRE test. In state X, all of the vehicle license plates have two letters from the 26 letters of the alphabet, followed by three one-digit numbers. How many different license plates can state X have if repetition of letters and numbers is allowed? The first thing we can notice is the answer grid. And we notice that answers B and D begin with the same four digits, 6084. And answers C and E begin with the same three digits, 676. So it looks like we really have two choices for the numbers, and answer A doesn't seem very likely, and then we have to make sure we have the right number of zeros at the end. Now we break down the question. We're being asked how many different license plates can state X have. And at the top they tell us about all of the vehicle license plates. They tell us that the two letters are from the 26 letters of the alphabet, and then three one-digit numbers. So we have a possibility of 5 numbers. The first two are letters, and the last three are one-digit numbers. So the first two are from A to Z, and the last three are from 1 to 10, because remember, 0 is a one-digit number. So we can multiply 26 times 26, or we can multiply 10 times 10 times 10. Which would you rather do? Well, 10 times 10 times 10 is going to result in 3 zeros. And look at that, there's only one answer that has 3 zeros. That's answer E. Let's check our work. What's 26 times 26? It's 676. So answer E has the right beginning, and answer E has the right ending, so the answer is E. But why did they have to tell us if repetition of letters and numbers is allowed? What if they had said if repetition of letters and numbers is not allowed? Because they got this license plate request that wanted it to be IM007. What would happen if repetition of letters and numbers wasn't allowed? Well, for the first letter you still have 26 possibilities, but for the second letter you've only got 25 possibilities because you've used one. On the numbers, you've still got 10 possibilities for the first number, but only 9 possibilities for the second number, and only 8 possibilities for the third number. So that means you multiply 26 times 25 and 10 times 9 times 8, which means you have 650 possibilities for the letters and 720 possibilities for the numbers, which means you have 468,000 possibilities for license plates, which is a lot different than 676,000 possibilities. So that little word that would change one letter possibility and 2 number possibilities changes the overall possibilities by a whole lot. So that's why we have to be careful about the words and careful about the numbers. Testing for the public. Nonprofit since 1985. No one makes things easier.